Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen that gold is trading at around $1644.83. Okay, and if you look at this particular candle after a particular fall, this a doji candle forming with a low of around $1626 low. Okay, as you can see here, around $1626.28 low. Okay, so it has made that particular low and is trying to move upside, made a high of around 1650 also, and now trading at around $1645.19. Okay, so overall trend we can see it is continuously in the downside. Okay, but we have seen a sharp fall because of few things like increase in the interest rate. Okay, plus there is a dollar gets strengthening. Okay, CPI data, all these were the factor which caused gold price to move further down. Okay, this is the place where we have seen it has tried to move upside, but if you make it a particular range, you can see it is moving downside in a descending order. Okay, before we move ahead and tell you how it can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work in gold, and a telegram link also are given in the description. You can join that too. Now if you look at this particular chart, what we can see that if this particular level sustain, then we can see it can go towards a level of $1651.26, and if that level goes further high, then there is a higher probability that we can see it can touch a level of $1675. Okay, keep this in mind, the price, because this level has not come since 2 years. Okay, and you can say that this is since April of 2020 we have not seen this level has come. That is another probability that we can see it can move further low. Okay, but I am telling you where the price if goes above this level. Okay, suppose if this level goes upside, we can see it can go further high towards a level of 1680, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $1688.26. Okay, and once the price goes up this level, then we can see it can go further high towards a level of $1697. Okay, and from there we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of around $1707. Okay, and if the price sustain above this level, then there is a high probability that we can see it can touch a level of 1736 also, and from there we can see it can move further upside, because then this particular range will break, so we will see that it can go further upside. Okay, but overall if we look this particular range, okay, this is the another high range, but if we look at this particular range, if this range breaks, or if it goes above a level of 1700, then there is a probability that this range will break, and a probability of moving further upside towards a level of 1726 to a level of 1737 is very high, and we can see it can move further upside towards a level of around 1744 to a level of around 1759, which is already a resistance, which is a weak resistance. So we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of around $1763. Okay, now if you look at this particular trend, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of around $1637, and if the price fall below this particular level, then we can see it can move further low towards a level of $1628. Okay, and once the price fall below this particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of $1612. Okay, and if the price fall below this particular level, then we can see it can move towards a level of $1595. Okay, and so if the price didn't sustain that also, then we can see it can move further low towards a level of $1579, and from there we can see it can move further low and can touch a level of $1574. Okay, so you have to keep this in mind. We can see it can move further low because these levels are already being tested here, and these levels has not touched particular since 2 years, so probability will be high. If the price fall below 1600, we can see a level of 1595 to a level of 1579, and if that also didn't sustain, then we can see it can move towards further low towards a level of 1570, and from there we can see a level of $1561. Okay, and from there we can see it can go further down. Okay, now any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I have given the mail ID in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.